Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account from the United States step by step. First, go to paypal.com. On this page, click Sign Up. Next, select the type of account you want. If you're opening a business account, choose Business. Otherwise, just go with Personal Account. Scroll down and click Get Started. Make sure your country flag at the top of the screen is set to the United States. Then enter your email address and click Next. One thing to note, you can also use the PayPal mobile app to sign up and log in with the same credentials. Next, enter your phone number. PayPal will send you a verification code, so check your phone and enter the code to confirm. Now, create a strong password for your account and click Next. On the next page, complete your personal information, including your full name and date of birth, and click Next. Now, fill in your address. PayPal will usually detect it automatically, but if it doesn't, type it in manually. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Agree and create account. At this point, PayPal may ask if you want to link a payment method. You can link your bank or card now, or skip this step and add it later. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now ready. You can log in using the website or the mobile app anytime and start sending or receiving money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.